When playing digital games, we like to know how well we are doing. This might be completing a level or scoring points.
In Scratch, we can use a variable to create a scoreboard or change the level of the game. In the Variables tab, we can make our own variable. We type in what we want it to be called, so I'm going to have score. This then puts a score panel in the top corner. I can then add my variable to my conditional coding. So if my answer equals October, which is the correct answer, I want the score to go up by 1. So I'm going to choose change my variable by 1. Click on the my variable part and change that to score. Change score by 1. So if the answer is correct, the score will go up by 1. Let's test it out to make sure it works. Press green flag to start. What month comes after September? I input my answer, October. Press the tick. Answer was correct. The sprite moved forward. The score has gone up by 1. Head on over to scratch.mit.edu to have a go at creating your own variables. You could make the level change after 5 correct answers. You could make the score go down if the answer is incorrect. Have fun!